Hello, everyone. Dr. Tony Prensa around here. I want to invite you to this event, Digital Shift, Embracing Technological Change in Project Management, sponsored by Institutes of Project Management. It will be conducted on May 2nd, 2025 at 12 p.m. for an hour. So why is this topic? Digitalization is changing and reshaping everything we do in life. Project management is not a session. For those one that have been out there for certain time, so we have seen and evidence that project management is also changing, adopting digital tools, a digital oriented mindset, because we are the change maker. So we want to deliver value to organization. And all organization, no matter what kind of industry you are in, is embracing technological changes to be more efficient, to keep up with the aggressive market, and to keep up with life at a everyday change. So that is the essence of this topic. I will be covering topics, so I have the agenda, so I don't want to miss any of the topics that I'm covering in the 1 hour. For example, the digital shifts, understanding the digital shifts is one of the topics. The key drivers of technological changes, overcoming challenges in the digital shift, and also I will be covering some scenarios and examples to give you an idea how can you embrace digital transformation in project management and to be better. I recently delivered a sessions, a workshop in Singapore. So the topic was about the convergence between emotional intelligence and artificial intelligence. The idea is that we want to be a better versions of ourselves. So if we don't embrace digital transformation in the work that we do, so we are already behind. So in order to be ahead and to be a better version of yourself as a project manager, as a value added individual in your organization, so you need to embrace technology. It's not just about AIs, and you have heard a lot of threats, I would say, about AI replacing project managers. That is only one thing. There are more than that. Industry 5.0 is here and is transforming everything we do in life. Project management is one of them, and project management is being transformed. So the idea that we're gonna be discussing in this webinar is about that. So you are aware what is coming and what is here, because the future is not the future anymore. The future is the present. I hope that you can make it on May 2nd at 12 p.m. Eastern Time Zone and join me and many others that will be joining this important event for you. Thank you very much. I hope to see you there, and we're gonna have a wonderful sessions, engaging, gonna be learning from you, and you also gonna be learning from me. Thank you very much. See you there.